I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from me. I'm a game changer.
Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. My name is Najwa Spectra Aurora, or you can call me Najwa. I am from Surabaya, East Java, Indonesia. I am 13 years old and currently I am studying at the State Junior High School 1, Sidoarjo in first grade. In this international CoSpace online challenge, I participate at the CoSpace Rescue FirstSteps U19 category. I am interested in robotics and have been studying robotics for 4 years. I have studied several types of robots, like follower robot like this, underwater robot, and autonomous drone. I also have participated in several robotic competitions, including International Islamic School Robot Olympiad in the Robot Soccer and Robot Theater category, ASEAN Metro in 2018 and 2019 in Scout category, Wonderful Indonesia Robot Challenge in the Underwater Robot category in 2018 and Autonomous Drone in 2019. I started learning about the CoSpace Rescue platform about 2 weeks ago. I have easy strategy in this competition. I programmed the robot to run across the arena and use ultrasonic sensor to detect walls. If the robot detects walls, the robot will sense left or right area using ultrasonic sensor, and the robot will move to the direction where there are no walls. When the robot is run in the arena, the robot also looks for objects by scanning color in the arena by using an RGB sensor. The color that must be detected and taken by the robot are red, black, and cyan. After the robot takes the object, the robot places the object on the orange floor. Robot must not pass the blue color contained in yellow. If the robot passes the trap in blue, then the score obtained in taking object will be lost. I'm very happy I can participate at RCAP CoSpace robot because I don't need to set up physical robot, charge the battery on the robot, and don't need to prepare a large arena. Especially in this pandemic situation, I still can participate in this competition only from home. I'm very grateful to be able to enter the competition because I can use the holiday to do something new and useful. I will show how to program the virtual robot. hope I can participate again the next school. And my dream, when I go to college, I can participate in RoboCup at home. Thank you.